Today's video is on mixed preposition quiz. Let me know how many marks did you score in the comments below. She is interested playing tennis. She is interested in playing tennis. Please put the book the table. Please put the book on the table. We are going to the party 7 o'clock. We are going to the party at 7 o'clock. She lives a small village. She lives in a small village. The cat is hiding the bed. The cat is hiding in the bed. The keys are the kitchen counter. The keys are on the kitchen counter. He is sitting his desk. He is sitting at his desk. The meeting will take place Monday. The meeting will take place on Monday. She is waiting the bus stop. She is waiting at the bus stop. They went swimming the lake. They went swimming in the lake. The keys are the table. The keys are on the table. She arrived the airport early. She arrived at the airport early. The cat is sleeping dash the bed. The cat is sleeping in the bed. He lives dash a big house. He lives in a big house. The restaurant is open dash Sundays. The restaurant is open on Sundays. She is standing dash the corner. She is standing at the corner. They live dash a beautiful neighborhood. They live in a beautiful neighborhood. The store is located dash the main street. The store is located on the main street. They are going to the concert dash Friday night. They are going to the concert on Friday night. The cat is sitting dash the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair. I have been living in Japan dash 999. I have been living in Japan since 999. Put the pencil dash the table. Put the pencil on the table. My neighbor is now dealing dash share market. My neighbor is now dealing in share market. Today I will discuss dash important prepositions and their use with all of you. Today I will discuss important prepositions and their use with all of you. Police arrested the thief who after stealing was walking dash the road. Police arrested the thief who after stealing was walking along the road. The principal became angry dash his behavior towards him. The principal became angry at his behavior towards him. While I was talking dash the student, he was busy making notes of it. While I was talking with the student, he was busy making notes of it. Do let me know in the comments below how many marks did you score out of 27. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel, that is Learn English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.